Steve, on the 2nd and 3rd of April here in Coventry, you've got some technology days. Now, you have a very successful open house in November, October time in reference to a 4-day event with apprenticeship days as well. But why the technology days?
Well, we like to keep customers informed throughout the whole year. Obviously, manufacturing carries on from day to day, and therefore this is going to be much more focused on certain technologies.
So from a technology point of view, Steve, what technology are you actually showing on the 2 days?
Well, there will be gear skiving that we can do through the technology cycles on the machines, multi-threading, this kind of application, and also some automation.
So is this about technology or keeping costs down, one-hit machining, for instance?
Well, it is about actually one-hit machining, which a lot of people talk about, but it's bringing the new technologies in. The gear skiving is very important, and what we'll talk about here is about the science behind it, not just to demonstrate a particular given demonstration, but actually how it operates, what the limitations are, and how far we can go with this technology.
Well, I think the best thing to do is hand over to Paul, who's with Chris, who's going to look at the actual technology itself.
So I'm now with Chris Cooper. Chris, we're going to be talking about some of the technology cycles and what it actually means. I've got here on the build-up to the event sheet, 5-axis simultaneous machining, multi-threading, interpolation turning, easy tool monitoring and eccentric machining, amongst others. What do these technology cycles mean in general terms for engineers?
Well, what we've tried to do is we've developed over 24 technology cycles across all our machine tools, and what basically that offers our customers is the ability to realise perhaps features within a product that they would normally need CAD/CAM or special expertise to program.
So in a sense it's streamlining their ability to create parts, isn't it? It's making it far easier and far more foolproof as well, isn't it?
Yeah, sure. So there'll be set dialog boxes in relation to the application that they're trying to do. So skiving, hobbing, multi-start threading, that sort of thing, that can all be realised by very simply inputting a dialogue through the prompts, cycle start, it will create a part program itself.
When you look at other controls on the market, how will this compete and how will it fare against some other companies that promote the user friendliness of their front ends?
Well, you've still got the benefit of it being a front end for Siemens, Fanuc, Hardinase. You've still got that, but you've got the backup of these cycles, adding that extra addition to the ease of the program of it. So if you're a Siemens or Hardinase user, it's exactly the same as the environment that you'd be used to programming in.
So it's really about technology, and we are just here to whet people's appetite to come to the event. Just give us a very quick demonstration of what people can expect to see here when they come in April.
Okay, well, one of the cycles on this machine that we can identify is the hobbing cycle. Okay, so in the standard Siemens environment, we can go over to the technology cycle page and identify which cycle we want to work with. So on this control, we will right arrow across till we find the appropriate one, which is the skiving one in this case. So if I click on that, now what it does is it takes me through a subroutine dialog box, so I can essentially, without even having used it before, can go through and it will identify exactly what it's after, and from that information that I put in, we press OK and it will come up with a hob cycle subroutine, which I can then machine and tweak as I see fit.
So when visitors attend, they'll be able to come and talk to you and have demonstrations of this software whilst here on all of these technology cycles that I mentioned, for example the eccentric machining, the interpolation and the multi-threading and 5-axis simultaneous. It'll all be on show.
Yeah, sure. So our intention is to have a more intimate event that will help obviously support our customers and identify where these particular cycles can fit into their manufacturing process.
Best control technology in the market, in your opinion?
Of course.
So that's one example why you should consider actually coming to the event. But from your point of view, Steve, what's in it for an engineer on the 2nd and 3rd of April, and why should they attend?
Well, we're putting a lot of effort in to demonstrate this technology, to really keep them aware of what's going on, how they can actually increase their productivity, and learn a lot more about the new technologies that are available.
So for any engineers that actually want to attend, what's the best way to get in touch, Steve?
That's easy, just go to our website dmgmori.com and register.